What's the meaning of autistic? Autistic. Autistic.
Autistic. Autistic. The term autistic refers to a developmental disorder that affects a person's ability to communicate and interact with others. Individuals with autism may have difficulties in social interaction, communication, and repetitive behaviors. They may also exhibit restricted interests and sensory sensitivities. Autism is a spectrum condition, meaning that the symptoms and their severity can vary widely between individuals. Proper diagnosis and early intervention can help individuals with autism develop coping mechanisms and lead fulfilling lives. It's essential to approach autistic individuals with empathy, understanding, and patience to create a supportive environment for them.